Hi children, good morning. Today we are going to learn short vowel words. See children, now we are going to learn a. Okay, how to blend two letter words with the sound of a. B, a, b, k, a, ka, d, a, d, a, f, g, a, g, h, a, h, j, a, d, k, a, k, l, a, l, m, a, m, n, a, n, h, a, p, q, a, q, r, a, r, s, a, s, t, a, t, v, a, v, v, a, v, s, a, s, y, a, y, z, a, z. Now see children, how to blend three letter words with the sound of a. Okay? Ha, a, ha, t, hat, s, a, sa, sun, t, a, t, b, tub, j, a, j, g, jug, g, a, g, gun, n, a, n, t, nut, m, a, m, g, mug, b, a, b, g, bug, k, a, k, p, cup, k, a, k, t, cut, t, a, t, g, tug, k, a, k, b, cub, b, a, b, s, bus, s, a, sa, some, a, f, fun, g, a, g, gum, r, a, r, run. Mud, mud. Hug. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye.